This new cap washer features a new double buckle design, which is not only more secure, but also easy to install. When you want to clean your hat, you just put the hat washer in a portable washing machine or dishwasher, and you'll have a clean hat. I think you will love it.